Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export code from Base44, step by step. So first, let's open the Base44 website. Once you're on the site, click the Start Building button in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and, from your recent apps, choose the app you want to export the code from. If you're already inside the app interface, that's perfect. Once the app is open, you'll see an interface like this. You can switch between the mobile view and the desktop view if you want. Now, to get the code, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu, select the second option, which is Files Used in this page. Then click on the last option, See All Files. And there you go. In this interface, you'll find all the code files. You can simply copy the code and use it however you want. You can go through all the files, copy what you need, and then upload everything to GitHub or any other platform you prefer. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.